Welcome back to DriveSphere, where we explore the cars that shape the future of driving. If you love stylish hatchbacks with smart technology and everyday practicality, today's video is going to be exciting. Right now in front of us is the 2026 Maruti Suzuki Swift in a stunning, shiny white finish, a car that continues a legendary name while stepping confidently into the future. The first thing you notice about the 2026 Maruti Suzuki Swift is its fresh and modern design. The shiny white color enhances every curve and crease, making the car look clean, premium, and sporty at the same time. The front fascia feels sharper than before, with sleek LED headlights that give the Swift a focused and confident expression. The redesigned grille blends smoothly into the bumper, creating a balanced look that feels urban and youthful. Even while standing still, this Swift looks like it is ready to move. As we move along the side profile, the Swift's compact hatchback proportions are instantly recognizable, but now they feel more refined. The flowing character lines run smoothly from front to rear, and the shiny white paint reflects light beautifully, highlighting the aerodynamic shape. The alloy wheels add a sporty touch, and the slightly wider stance gives the car a planted, confident presence on the road. This is the kind of design that looks great in city traffic and still turns heads when parked. At the rear, the 2026 Maruti Suzuki Swift continues its modern theme. The LED taillights are sharp and stylish, giving the car a distinctive look at night. The rear bumper feels sporty without being overdone, and the overall design is clean and balanced. In shiny white, the rear design feels especially elegant, showing that this car is not just about sportiness, but also about everyday sophistication. Step inside, and the Swift welcomes you with a cabin that feels more advanced and driver-focused than ever. The dashboard layout is clean and modern, with a large touchscreen infotainment system taking center stage. This system supports smartphone connectivity, making navigation, music, and calls easy and intuitive. The digital instrument cluster provides all essential driving information in a clear and modern way. The interior materials feel improved, and the smart use of space ensures comfort for both the driver and passengers. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Maruti Suzuki Swift stays true to its fun-to-drive character. The engine is tuned for smooth acceleration, excellent fuel efficiency, and easy city driving. Whether you are navigating busy streets or cruising on the highway, the Swift feels light, responsive, and confident. The steering is precise, making tight turns and parking effortless, while the suspension is tuned to handle bumps and uneven roads comfortably. Safety is another area where the 2026 Maruti Suzuki Swift makes strong progress. The car is equipped with modern safety features designed to protect both driver and passengers. Systems like ABS, electronic stability control, and multiple airbags help ensure peace of mind on every journey. Maruti Suzuki has clearly focused on making the Swift not just fun, but also safe and reliable for daily use. One of the biggest strengths of the 2026 Maruti Suzuki Swift is how well it fits into everyday life. It is compact enough for city driving, efficient enough to keep running costs low, and stylish enough to feel special every time you step inside. The shiny white color adds a premium touch that appeals to buyers who want a clean and timeless look. In conclusion, the 2026 Maruti Suzuki Swift in shiny white proves why this nameplate remains so popular year after year. It combines modern design, smart technology, enjoyable performance, and everyday practicality into one well-balanced package. Whether you are a young driver buying your first car or someone looking for a reliable and stylish hatchback, the Swift continues to be a strong choice. This has been DriveSphere, bringing you closer to the cars you love. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the 2026 Maruti Suzuki Swift, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned because many more exciting drives are coming your way.